Welcome to PrintKK's official tutorial. In the print-on-demand business, listing your products efficiently is the foundation of driving sales. In today's video, we will walk you through the 3 core methods for publishing products from PrintKK to your third-party stores. At the end of this video, I will introduce the product publishing page. First, please make sure you have successfully connected your third-party store on the Stores page of your PrintKK dashboard. Second, head over to the product catalog to select the right products for your target audience and have your high-resolution design source files ready. Let's start with method 1, direct publishing from the designer. Simply click the Publish to Store button in the upper right corner of the page. In the pop-up window, select your connected third-party store. Configure the front-end product title, description, and retail price. Then click Publish. The product will sync to your storefront. Method 2. Save the design in the designer first. Then publish it uniformly from My Designs. Method 3. Similarly, save your design in the designer first. Then navigate to your store inside the dashboard. Click on Product. Click Add Design, select your design, and click Publish. You can freely choose any of these 3 methods based on your needs. Next, I will explain the specific details required. On the product publishing page, product title. This represents the name of the product as it will appear on your front-end store. Product description. This field automatically pulls the default information from the product details page. Clicking Add Size Table will sync the product size chart right into the description. Classification refers to the product category. In your third-party store, product visibility. You can set whether the product should be active or in draft status on your store. Personalization. This represents the custom options. If you want your customers to personalize the design, toggle this option on. Mockups. These are the product preview images generated in the designer. Brand images refers to custom brand identity. Now, let's break down the shipping section. Destination country. Select the primary country where your customers reside. Shipping services shows shipping methods. Shipping time displays the estimated transit time. First, the shipping cost for the first item in the order. Additional, any subsequent items added to the same order. It's important to understand a concept. Multivariant products with different sizes will have different shipping rates. Let's say if the product I am publishing has 5 different sizes. Average calculates and applies the average shipping cost across all available sizes. Maximum means the highest shipping rate among all the sizes. Minimum applies the lowest shipping rate among all the size variants. Shipping is the free delivery toggle. If turned this on, remember to manually build the corresponding shipping cost into your product retail price. Assign shipping profile. In this section, if you already have shipping templates configured in your third-party store, you can select them from the drop-down menu. If not, the system will automatically generate a brand new shipping profile by default. Next is price section. You can filter and select the specific product colors and size variants you want to publish. Next, choose your billing currency. And then you can edit your product pricing. Product cost refers to the base price of the product on the PrintKK platform. Branding cost shows the platform cost for branded products on PrintKK. Product profit. Please note this indicates your pure product. Margin, excluding any potential profit made from shipping charges. Product retail price. This is where you set the final selling price for your third-party storefront. Once you enter your retail price, the product profit column to the left will automatically calculate your exact profit margins. Shipping cost serves as a shipping reference. If you intend to offer free shipping, remember to add that shipping cost to your product retail price. Alternatively, you can choose to set your product prices or profit margins globally for all variants. Select the items you want to modify and click Edit Price. Product retail price. Under this field, you can uniformly set the retail price across all selected variants, ensuring every variant maintains an identical price tag. Product profit. Here, you can set a flat profit amount for all variations. For example, if you want a flat $20 margin on every variant, simply type 20 here. The product retail price will automatically adjust to a price that includes your $20 profit. Lastly, you can set a target profit margin percentage. For instance, if you want a stable 50% profit margin, input 50% here, and the product retail price will scale accordingly. All of the information mentioned above can be customized to fit your business. Once you've verified and checked all your settings, just hit publish to launch your product. If you have any questions during the process, please feel free to drop a message to our support team. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial, and happy selling!